Okay, gentlemen, now we're looking at example number 1. It says find the value of x, then classify the triangle by its angle measures. Okay, so we'll do. There are two things I have to do. I have to find out what x equals, and then I have to classify this triangle based on its angles. All right. Well, what's the first piece of information that I really need here, Max?
Well, we have 42 degrees,
Oh,
and we need to find the value of x.
I know I've got 42 degrees. I know what I need to do. What's the piece of information that I need? Troy?
What x is.
Well, I want to find out what x is. Yes, but there was something in our notes that's really going to help us. Reed, what would you do first?
Well, we know that all the angles equal 180.
So what Reed just told us is that if I add up all the angles, I get 180. Well, let's do that. I'm going to get 42 plus 2x plus x is equal to 180. Excellent. Now, where do I go from there, Ruben? I want to simplify though before I solve. Remember, whenever I'm solving equations, I want to simplify, which means I need to put things together. CC, what do I do? I don't know if it's a right triangle. That's a very good question. I'm glad that he said that, Edward, because here's my point. It looks like it's a right triangle, but it might not be. That may be 91 degrees. It may be 89 degrees. It may be 90.05 degrees. Okay, so I don't know what that measure is. I can't say it's a right angle unless they tell me it's a right angle. Guys, the first thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to combine like terms. I put the x's together. Plus 42, I always write the number without the variable behind it. And then I'm going to subtract 42 from both sides, and I'm going to get that 3x is equal to 138. Now, okay, now what I need to do is divide by 3, and you have a calculator in front of you. So, Edward, what is 138 divided by 3 for me? And get that x is equal to 46. Thank you, Edward. Now, that means that this angle, which equals x, is 46 degrees. This angle, which is 2 times x, Eric, is equal to what?
92.
92 degrees. Good. Now, looking at those three measures, Troy, what kind of triangle is this based on its angles? And I will refer you back to the notes. It is an obtuse triangle. And guys, you can do it by elimination. Acute triangle has 3 angles that are all less than 90. Well, that one doesn't. This one has one that's 92, right? A right triangle has an angle that's 90 degrees. This one doesn't. None of these 3 angles are 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle has is a triangle where one of the angles is greater than 90 degrees. Yeah. 92 is greater than 90 degrees, so this must be an obtuse triangle based on its angles. All right? Good job, gentlemen.